What's up, everybody? Welcome back to High Quality Trade Setups, where I give you my highest quality trade setups in the market today, 100% free. Holler at your boy. Alrighty, if you're new here, this is the channel where we go over the highest quality stocks in the market, meaning only the top stocks with the highest market caps make the cut. So, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, Tesla. These will be the stocks we mainly trade on this channel. So if you're ready to make the highest quality trades of your life, please like and subscribe to the channel. Alrighty, we have the SPY first up on the 4-hour time frame. Now, today the SPY managed to close at 542.74. It reached a low of 542.62 and a high of 546.95. She was negative 0.33% on the day. Now let's bring up my lines just to get a better idea of what price is doing. Okay, so we did close below our support line here at 544.10. So that does put our new level to fall to is 539.04. If price can manage to make it back above 544.10, well, we would first need to break the high of today's candle, which was 546.94. If we can do that, ultimately go back up, retest this trend line possibly, and then back up to all-time highs. We will see. Full disclosure, I did trade the SPY today for a tiny win. I'll kind of go over it because I'm actually quite ashamed at how I traded it, but still some good information here, guys. So, 5-minute time frame, right? Saw this flag pattern. Okay, it looks like a pennant flag pattern, whatever you want to call it. Let's just map it out here. It's basically this guy here. Okay, flagpole, flag, and then I'll bet you it fooled a lot of people because people were buying this thinking it's gonna skyrocket, and it didn't. Anyways, went into the 15-minute with that pattern in my head. Checking out the MACD, right, on the 15-minute time frame. Well, on this candle, we did turn lower, so that was my entry. So we got the break of the flag pattern, and then this candle as my entry, and then I put my stop up here above this candle, and then traded it down. I just wanted to trade the flagpole, right? But I got overly eager, and I was watching the 5-minute, and so price kind of acted kind of crazy around the support level of 544.10. We just kept getting bounces up and down off of it. So I ended up selling in one of these candles, and then lo and behold, a couple minutes later, it went all the way down to the bottom of that flagpole anyway. And it would have been a perfect trade because that was where my stop loss or my take profit was anyway. So, but anyways, I got out there. Well, when this triggered, and then I looked at my phone, we had already gone back up here, and then I was thinking, well, since it broke that, we're going to go lower. So I entered again up here, and then we just kind of had some more trickery going on. As you can see, it looks nice, right? Like we had all these candles slowly creep down. Well, then we had a few candles creep up, and that's when I got scared out of this. It's like the third time I bought it, actually. And then ended up losing like $40 or something on that one. So ultimately, this trade was only like a $10 winner. But look, if I would have held it, we got a huge move at the end of the day, which would have been a great win. Because ultimately, I had 545 puts, and we went all the way to 542. So would have been a great trade had I not got overly emotional and then scared myself out of what was a good trade. So learn from me, guys. Kind of control your emotions and leave it up to the numbers, right? You leave your stop loss and your take profit and just wait to see what happens. You don't need to be looking at the market, watching every candle close. So that's it for the SPY. I think we'll go a little bit lower, down to 539.04. Let's see, how's that RSI looking? I mean, it's signaling a bounce. I don't know when we're gonna get it. Okay, honestly, I don't. This freaking divergence. I'm always catching these, but they don't always play out. So we do have the divergence there between price and the lower high here. So we're gonna see if that ultimately shoots us back up tomorrow, or if she falls down to 539.04. Let's just see what the price action brings. Okay, my most recent video that came out yesterday was on Costco. So, full disclosure, I did enter in a put on this one at 8:45. Trying to trade it down here to 8:38. Well, if we could, I'd say the distance between the two lines here is a great exit if it reaches. So, 8:33 would really be the best exit. I just don't know if that's where price is ultimately going to get tomorrow, or into Wednesday. Oh yeah, there's that divergence too that I don't like. But I'm holding it just to see because it's really close to taking that low out. So this divergence is null and void if this low takes out this low. Um, so we'll have to see what happens tomorrow. I will hold it. I do have my stop loss set at above this candle high. Just keep that alert there because if that triggers, that's my exit. Okay, another trade for you guys is tomorrow. What would be Tesla? This is possibly a good short trade for tomorrow because we have broken out of the pennant pattern. Okay, so that puts our first price target down here at 179.59, and then the second price target at 176.50. So tomorrow morning when the market opens, we want to look at how this MACD is looking. We don't want these lighter bars forming. We want deeper purple, and then the bars to be getting larger. And as long as that's happening, well, we can expect price to get down to these levels. But if we start going light purple and turning up, well, you can see every time price does that, we get upwards momentum in the market. Okay, so green bar is good, and then when they're getting smaller and smaller, that's when the bears are coming in. So this is a trade for tomorrow that I'm giving you. You decide ultimately if you're gonna trade it or not. But that is all I have for you. Thanks for watching. High quality trade setups. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.